Hi, I'm Natalie Ledwell, and today I want to share with you how you can get inspired with some great vision board ideas. So whether you're making a vision board for the first time, or if you're a skilled professional, having vision board ideas and examples are incredibly useful and inspirational when it comes to making your own. So this is why I've created this video, to inspire you to create a vision board that really represents your dreams and show you how to use them to maximize your visualization practice. But first, let me explain a little bit on how to make a vision board work for you. Now, it's one thing to make the vision board. We can all do that. But it's another thing to act on it and to accomplish those goals. So when you have a goal or a dream in mind, think about what it looks like and how it feels. Create the vision board around those feelings. Now, you want to look at it frequently. That's the purpose of your vision board. But that in itself won't be enough. You also will want to have an action plan in place as well. So for example, if you have health goals, show how you're going to be fitter or lose weight. How are you going to do that? Is it going to be running a marathon? Is it going to be working out more? How many pounds are you looking to lose? Now make sure you articulate all of that in your vision board. Now, if it's a house or the car of your dreams, find a picture that matches exactly the car that you want. Then every time you look at your vision board, imagine yourself feeling the wind on your face as you drive it, and feel the steering wheel in your hand and how comfortable it is to sit in that seat, and the smell of the car, and what it's like to share that with your family and the people that you love. You also want to feel the sense of freedom or the adventure that you get from driving it, rather than just having the attributes of the car itself. Now, adding emotion to your vision board images makes it 100 times more effective in bringing your desires to life. Now, you also want to select affirmations, inspiring quotes, symbols, and words that inspire you and remind you of who you want to become. So think about someone in history that has really inspired you and have their quotes and their words on your board as well. And if you'd like to take it a step further, there are digital vision boards as well, like our very own MyMovie software, which allows you to create a living, breathing, animated vision board with your own images, your affirmations, and music. Now you can check all this out by clicking on the link above the comment box. Now you can include all of your goals for every area of your life: relationships, career, health, spirituality, travel, finances, love, education, giving back, and anything else that you can think of. Or you can simply create a different board for each of the important areas of your life and keep each vision board in a different place. So you may want to keep your business and career vision board at your desk or at your office, somewhere where you can see it while you're working during the day. And your love or romance vision board can be next to your bed. And in case you'd like even more ideas to add to your vision board, here are some great ideas as well. You could also add things like learning goals, like courses that you want to take or certificates that you want to achieve. You could add something about cleaning, career goals, family goals, priorities. Now, a vision board doesn't necessarily need to be about goals at all. It can also be a place to confirm and connect with your priorities and what you want to be focusing on. You could add vacations, and different places around the world that you want to travel, or places that you want to visit in your own city, home decorating projects, best life. So what does your best life look like? Meditation goals. What do you want to accomplish when you meditate? Maybe you just want to have inner peace, but maybe you want to connect to the divine part of who you are. Maybe you want to use meditation as a time to tap into the higher consciousness so that you can tap in for different inspiration and guidance. So think about what you want from your meditation. You can add that to your vision board. Important words. So think of the words that you want to live by, the words that you want to describe your life, and then make it official with your vision board. What about money? The money that you want to make, and don't ever feel guilty about wanting to earn money. Money that you want to pay off, like imagine a debt-free life, What would that look like to you? You know, how would you live if you weren't tied down by debt? Think about the kind of relationship that you want to have with your money. If you've got a fantastic love relationship, but you're struggling in the money department, how do you make your love relationship so successful? And how could you apply those principles to your money and have a healthy relationship with your money as well? You can write down your feelings, like how do you want to feel? Do you want to be in an optimal feeling of gratitude, of happiness, of joy, of pride? Think about the feelings that you want to be marinating in as much as you can and put them up on the board. Then put in the events that you'll be doing when you're feeling those emotions. You could add books. You know, imagine your vision board is a library of all the books that you want to read. How about all the books that you have already read and the ones that you do want to read? So it's this vision board of knowledge and education. You could add ways to make the world a better place. So fill your board with acts of kindness and volunteer options and places that you can donate money to and time to as well. You know, is there somewhere in the world that you'd really like to go and help? Or is there somewhere in your own backyard that you can offer your help as well? You could add big, exciting adventure goals, like the big, scary things that you're even afraid to think about out loud. You could also add your dreams. You know, dream what you want to accomplish, the book you want to write, the blog that you want to start, the movie that you want to star in, or how about how you want to change the world? Things that are just huge. Make it official on your vision board. What about a vision board of affirmations? You know, what do you want to be true about yourself and your life that may not necessarily be true right now? You know, how you want to describe this life that you're creating and who you're becoming as if it's already happening now in a present tense affirmation to really help to accelerate the manifestation process. Now, I hope that you've found some inspiration here to create your own vision board, as this is the perfect tool to manifest your wildest dreams. Now, before I go, I would love to hear from you. Do you have any other vision board ideas? Please share your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Mind Movies YouTube channel for more videos on personal growth and the law of attraction. My name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.